Hey, I just randomly put a story and asked, do you want to learn blouse making? So there are huge replies, and I'm here to show you how to cut princess cut blouse.
In first step, I cut my back part and just put it on the remaining lining. You can see here how I place it so your fabric didn't get wasted. Trace your back part as it is. By the way, this is my wedding blouse and I reveal this complete look in my upcoming reels, so stay tuned. Here I leave 2 inches seam allowance. You can take it as per your requirement. Then I remove the back part and mark the bust point from the shoulder line. It is very important for the fitting. My neckline depth is 7 inches. I measure it in cross way and just draw a square shape and gave this beautiful matka shape. I'm struggling to draw this shape, so I do it in off camera, and this is the distance between 2 bust points. Then I take some extra inches fabric from these 3 sides to give princess cut darts. I take it approximately, and because of this is front part, I add some extra depth at the armhole as compared to back part, and after cutting it is look like this. The only remaining part is the dart marking. Here I take 3 inches dart which works for all sizes. After this dart marking, I gave this beautiful princess cut shape, and nowadays I'm getting pro at dart marking. I just mark it without using any tool, but it needs a lot of practice. And at the end I close this main dart and cut it in the straight line, and check out your waist measurement. Here we are done with princess cut blouse cutting. Hope you learn new tricks and techniques. If you want detailed video, then please comment below. I'm back with another one. Bye.